Hi friends, welcome to the Muleford tutorial. I hope you have liked our last video which is all about the introduction to the Anypoint Studio and its different components. So let's start today's session. In today's session we will discuss about the RAML, that is RESTful API Modeling Language. We will discuss what is the RAML, its different method. Then we will create one RAML and there we will declare its resources. We will also see how can we declare request and response structure in the RAML as well. So the first question is, what is RAML? RAML is basically YML based language that provides all the information necessary to describe RESTful APIs. It makes easy to manage the API lifecycle from design to deployment, and it is reusable, guys. So we are generally using four methods in RAML. So whenever we want to retrieve the information defined in the requested URI, we generally use get method. To create a new entry in the collection, we use post method. And the next one is put method. So to replace the addressed collection, we use put method. At object label, you can use it to create or update the data as well. The last one is delete. Delete method is generally used to delete information defined in the requested URI. So let's start, guys, with the RAML designing part. So this is very basic RAML, guys. I have created very basic RAML here. So let's start. How can we create one resource in the RAML? So to create, you have to just provide one slash followed by the URI. So here I have declared one resource slash and then employees. So whenever we want to define any method within the resource, we have to just declare it here just after the declaration of the resource. Okay, the next one is description. So here we can provide some description as well. It's optional field. The next, now we want to declare request and response structure for any method. Since get is generally used to retrieve the data, so that's why I have not declared any request body here, as we want to just retrieve the data. So here we have defined the response body. So within the responses, we have declared the 200, that is the HTTP status code, and within that we have just defined our structure. So we have declared body. Within the body, you have to define what will be the structure of the, means what will be the structure type, whether it is XML, whether it is JSON. So you have to define it here. So in case of XML, we can write is as application slash XML like this. Okay. So after that, we have to define within example, we can define some sample payload. So here I have just declared one sample JSON payload. So whenever this method will be called, the response which will be returned back to the source system, it should looks like this. Okay. The next method is, guys, post. So here we want to create some new entry, so that's why we have to again declare some request structure as well. So here I have declared some request structure. It's same as the response. We have to first declare body, then within the body we have to define the type of the response, whether it is JSON, XML, and then again within the example you have to just write here the sample example, sample JSON payload. Now, if we want to define more than one status code, that is a different type of structure response within our response body, so we can declare that as well like this. Here I have declared first 200, then 404. So within that we can also declare in the similar way as we have defined earlier. Within 200 the body, with then we have to again here mention application slash JSON, and within the example you can just attach one sample payload. So guys, in the same way you can define put method as well. and then you can define delete. So it's a very basic raml, guys. In the next video we will see how can we just declare some query parameters, URI parameters, or we can define different types, or we can add schema. So all these things we will add in our next video. Hope you have liked this video. So if you have any queries, you can just write down in the comment section and just enjoy it, guys. Thank you.